Hey guys, have you ever wondered how you could better organize your under cabinet storage? I mean, you have all these cleaners and stuff like that. I basically got this organizer, which is pretty awesome. It's a two-level organizer meant for under cabinet organizer. It even has a pull-out tray, which is nice because it slides out. I put all my small items in little containers and then put it in there. I also love the fact that the second level is tall enough so I could utilize that space underneath the sink so I could put the larger things like spray bottles and stuff that usually I can't fit. On the top level is also a lot of drainage too, so if it was wet or stuff, you could drain. There's also hooks that attaches onto this that comes with the kit, which is really nice. I really do like this under cabinet organizer tray, but you also, one of the things you have to think about, you have to put a weight on the back, or else that sliding thing won't really work. It'll probably tip over. Now the feet does help it from tipping over, but overall it's pretty good. Anyways, doubled my space. This is what it was before, and now it's a lot. I have more space to use. Anyways, guys, this is Stern W. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.